My name is Oluchi Lloyd. Thank you guys for tuning in. If you're new here, don't forget to click that place where it's written subscribe below, like this video and share the video. So guys, I was just passing on social media. I saw this Davido's baby mama, Sophia Mahmoudou. Sophia Mahmoudou, is it Sophia Mahmoudou or whatever? I don't know how to pronounce it, but anyway, I try to call it well. So Sophia is a first baby mama to Davido Adeleke. Davido Adeleke is the Nigerian artist. He's saying yes, yeah, he's a Nigerian artist. So what happened is that DMW, as they used to call him, DMW boss, DMW boss, which is Davido. That's, I think, DMW is their brand or their, I don't know, their sponsor names. So Davido's first baby mama, Sophia Mahmoudou, is serving us some water. Is serving us some goodies. He's serving us some goodies to celebrate his birthday party. Okay, he did his birthday party today, which is her birthday is today, which is 9th of June 2020. So what happened in that photo is that I think some people just try to, they always like attention seekers. So what happened in that particular post, she posted a half naked, topless, okay, let's call it topless photo on her Instagram handle. So I don't know what happened, you know, the story just go viral because she was wearing nothing on top of her body and take photo. Okay, what happened here is that the fashion entrepreneur shared a topless photo of herself covering her nipples covering just the cover and this thing, okay, covering, and also she posted to short. According to her chapter is what is peace, according to what she wrote there. So what the blogger, then what is written here is that they said Sophia is a mother to Davido's first daughter, and Imadi, okay, Imadi is the daughter's name, Imadi Adeleke, who may welcome in May 2015. That is when the baby was born. The baby was born May 2015, which is Imadi Adeleke, Davido's first daughter. So recall Davido and Sophia fought dirty for custody of their daughter in 2016. That is what happened. They fight very dirty 2016 concerning the daughter. Me, I don't know the story, I'm just hearing it now. And the singer said that Sophia was an irresponsible mother, which is Davido. Davido called Sophia a responsible mother. I think you guys can hear it now. Those of you who say that Davido and Chioma take Davido from Sophia, you guys that hate Chioma, see, sometimes when I post video relating to Chioma and Davido, a lot of you guys say, after all, Sophia is the best woman, she's beautiful, she snatch, you know, snatch them. There's a Chioma snatch Davido from Sophia. So they said in the past, that is what caused their problem. In the past that they said, so all these things she was doing now was pretend. Anyway, I was thinking she's a good mother. According to the story now, you guys should listen very, very well. What happened there? The singer said that Sophia was an irresponsible mother and they smoked India hams publicly, that she smokes publicly. I think that is the reason why the guy run away from her. You heard it from the right up here. I mean, I don't even know, but I don't know the reason why the guy is running away from her. I don't know, but the answer has given to everyone now who is thinking, oh, this lady, she's beautiful, why did Davido leave her for Chioma and all that. They say he smoke in public, guys. Sorry, I said Chioma. They say Sophia Mahmoudou, they smoke for public. Now waiting they make Davido leave her. Even when they breastfeed the baby, they smoke, they breastfeed baby. So the video call her irresponsible woman. They fight 2016. Now wetin cause their problem be that. So he smoke, they say they smoke publicly, they smoke Indian hemp publicly, and also as weed. Okay, they call them weed. So the little Imadi was said to have been ill, and also her blood sample was taken in the hospital, which found the substance in her body. Okay, and then take the child go hospital, they can't find some certain thing wey be say can cause problem. Okay, then carry am. Imadi was sick that period wey be say dem born am. Mama dey smoke public, dey breastfeed am. Then they come later, the small girl come dey sick. As they sick, then take the baby to hospital, and then find some kind smoking this thing for her wey mix with her blood. So according to what the write-up says here, Davido family, then the baby. Okay, then see, oh, Davido family now sees the baby. Okay, Davido family now sees the baby. They seize the baby from her, and also attempted to take her out of the country to Dubai. Sophia then involved her uncle and the Dele Mahmoud, who alerted the airport authorities of the family plans. Okay, they wanted to take the baby from her because of the baby was sick, and the blood test was, you know, showing some kind of you know, smoking drug and all that. So the family of Davido are now trying to take her to hospital, to Dubai, to take her away, but I don't know what happened. The information got to reach Sophia Mahmoud's uncle and all that, so they have to, authorities block them at the airport. So she was, you know, she was returned back. The baby now returned back to Sophia, and Davido simply move on with his life, and also went to have two went to have two more babies with Amanda. Okay, Davido now move on to go and have another more babies with Amanda. Amanda is the American one, the one that lives in America, but I don't know if she's a French, but she looks like a French. That Amanda, I think I've seen her speaking French language before. I think she's a French, yeah. I don't know, maybe she's a Congo or I don't know, but I think she speaks French, and she's maybe American born or raised up, but I knew she lives in America, somewhere in Atlanta, something like that. So Davido now move on to go and look for, to make more babies with Amanda and his fiancée, which is Chioma Chef Chi. So there is also there's this allegedly fourth child in the photo, according to what they said. Okay, that is okay. So guys, you guys have heard the whole story, what happened. So the reason why Davido moved on with his life, I don't know if it's the reason, or Davido is just doing his own thing, you know, as a popular artist, every woman wants him, you know, we don't know. But what is written here is the behavior of Sophia Mahmoud, her behaviors, okay, when she delivered Imadi Adeleke, which is Davido's first daughter. So when she delivered Imadi, she was like involved in she just drink, smoke, and all that. So the baby becomes sick. As the baby is sick, so they want to remove the baby from her because of the smoking and drinking thing what she they do. So now she, you know, agree. They won't carry the Davido parents. They won't carry the baby, fly and go Dubai. So I don't know how authority can't take Sophia with uncle can't find out. They can't take the baby back, so they no can succeed. So the Davido family, they no succeed for taking the baby from her because the baby was sick, and they won't take the baby out from her, but she no agree. She block him. So when she block him, then the thing no can get head again. Davido can continue with his life, can go give the one where they for America, but the way they call Amanda. Then after that one come born finish, I not know what happen again. He can't find Chioma, which is, but they say no Chioma long time, but they never do official. So they never do the public relationship official. So now waiting happen there, my people. So now she don't come again, come snap photo. I don't see him. Maybe now waiting make the video run. Be that she come snap photo with topless or say she dey celebrate birthday. You know, we know you are a fashion design, you do fashion. I don't know why she's at why she's posting you know, topless. Maybe she dey post them for her for notification, or is it notification? Maybe she's posting this for notice, for people to notice her, you know, for her to get a brand. I don't know her reasons. I don't know the reason why she go topless. But guys, this is not our, it's not African. I don't know, is it our culture? Some people, adults, I don't know. The only place I see people dancing naked, like topless, not like naked, like people dancing topless. The dance is South Africa here, like kids are not really complete. Yeah, I think kids. And the elder people, I don't know. But in Nigerian culture, I don't know. Yoruba people don't still have that naked culture. No. If you're Yoruba watching me, did Yoruba people have culture of you know, removing their to be naked? But for you, well, no, we don't have such culture. I will say, I never. So I don't know what comes into her. She's already popular, and I think Davido is giving her money every month for the baby cares, child care, and she's receiving some amount of money every month. So I don't see the reason why she's doing business. I think she's into fashion, clothes. I don't see the reason why you should go topless on video. It's your life, oh, but you overdo it. I never see any celebrity who does that like that. Yes, there's some celebrity does that, but not for your own level, you know. I don't know how level you are, but the way I take know you, it doesn't suit you, girl. It don't suit you. Going the way you snap that photo, put it in public, we don't fit you. We don't say you get flat belly, but you went so far, so fair, Mahmoud. You went so far. So change. I don't think you still want to get married. If you still want to get married, please, girl, don't do this. I know you have a child, and I know in future things may change, and you regret this photo that he posted. You know, things may change tomorrow, and that photo you post in the past, this particular photo now, of course, a lot of people have already saved it, and they will remind your husband the kind of photo you take in the past, and it's a very heartbroken. And some men, when their friend use it to insult them, you see that your marriage will start to get careless. Before you know it, divorce. Now you start from zero again. God, oh my God, you overdo it. Please, it's not nice. It's not nice. It went so far, really far. So thank you all for watching. Thank you so much, everyone, for listening. Thank you. God bless you. Let me know what you think below. Do you agree with what this woman did, taking a photo, topless photo? She's not that popular celebrity, but you know, she's overdoing it. I don't know what you think. That is the way I see it. Whether you are a celebrity or not, this doesn't give you, in African culture, it doesn't give you that reason for you to snap such photo, and tomorrow you blame yourself, or you blame one witch that you are not getting married, or you get married, divorce, when these men start to find all these things out that you have done in the past. Davido making another choice, getting another wife. I think this is one of the reasons. Anyway, guys, let me stop here for now. Let me know what you think below. I will see you in the next video. Bye.